Hi guys, this is Meowdoku. We are playing level 36 and let's start. Alright, we need to collect 10 cats. Number 2 is right there. Alright,
nice.
Number 3. Okay, we have 7 more to find. All right, let's see. Maybe it's there.
Great.
Yes. All right. We need 6 more to find. Let's think. Yellow
Perfect.
one is there. All right. Now we need 5 more. We have the
Excellent.
pink one ready. Yes, all right. Now let's try and find the blue one. Maybe
amazing.
there. Yeah, all right. Okay, now we need 3 more. Let's maybe guess the green one.
Unbelievable.
Okay. And the last 2. Maybe it is there. No. Okay, so it's definitely here. And the last one is of course there. Alright guys, thank you for watching.